40 English questions start now. Let's see how far you go. Alright, first question. Find the closest synonym of abstract. Answer D, theoretical. Which is a synonym of land? Answer A, ground. What does be in the spotlight mean? Answer C, get attention. What does hold all the aces mean? Answer D, have edge. Choose the antonym of careless. Answer B, careful. What is the antonym of arrive? Answer D, depart. Choose the antonym of sparse. Answer B, dense. Choose the correct plural of service. Answer C, services. What is the plural form of clothing? Answer D, clothing. Choose the correct plural of cinema. Answer A, cinemas. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D, local authorities intervened quickly. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer B, if only she had more time for preparation. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D, I told him I wasn't feeling well that day. What is the past form of drive? Answer A, drove. Choose the past tense of dwell. Answer C, dwelt. What is the past form of spell? Answer D, spelled. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B, business. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A, average. Identify the correct spelling. Answer D, practical. Which is a synonym of sleek? Answer B, smooth. Pick a synonym of issue. Answer A, problem. Choose a synonym of sluggish. Answer D, slow. What does on the brink mean? Answer C. Very close. What does set the stage mean? Answer A. Set up. What does back to basics mean? Answer D. Simplify. Choose the antonym of ripe. Answer C. Unripe. Opposite of belittle? Answer C. Praise. Choose the correct plural of cow. Answer D. Cows. What is the plural form of flora? Answer D. Flory. Choose the correct plural of child. Answer B. Children. Fill the gap. Answer C. Everyone should follow the rules carefully. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B. We expect to receive a decision soon. Fill the gap. Answer A. If only they had earlier notice. Choose the past form of fly. Answer C. Flew. What's the past tense of befall? Answer D. Befell. Choose the past form of forget. Answer B. Forgot. Just 4 more to finish. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Creative. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Generate. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Restriction. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Gratefully. Congratulations! You made it! How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe.